Performance of ternary operator versus if-else statement. Note, it's true that this question has been answered for many other languages. However, I could not find an answer for Python, so do not mark as duplicate. Is there a difference in performance between the if-else statement and the ternary operator in Python?
I doubt there is a performance difference. They compile to equivalent sequences of bytecodes. As with most performance questions, the answer is to measure.
Here are my tests in IPython 7.2.0, which has %timeit, a built-in timing method that makes it extremely easy to measure executions. By default it makes 7 runs and 100 million loops each, so the results should usually be valid. Used by PyCharm March 4, 2018 Community Edition x64, running Python 3.7.2 x64. The OS is Windows 10.0.17134 Enterprise x64. I think the numbers speak for the statements. A shame really, 'cause I love the ternary op. However, the ternary op's still absolutely useful, especially in the cases where covering all the possibilities in function call params would create a massive repeating of code, which I absolutely hate.
From some testing on Python 3.6.1, it seems like the full statement is faster. My results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.